Hello there, this is Ademola Oladoja again from the Forex Trading Inner Circle, and today is 17th day of January 2023. Well, I'm doing this update because there's a lesson I would like those who are following us to learn. Remember the three trades I called since 9th of January, and this is 17th of January. We're still, basing our trades on those three trades. The first trade was a USD card. In which we have made some profits and the profit has reduced back. So those are the things. Then AUD that one hit our stop loss. See, we were on a sell. The price went ahead, hit our stop loss. Can you see these two candles hit our stop loss? Now it's going back in the direction that we predicted. Well, we are not going back into that trade at the moment. That one is gone. So GBP that one is also there. We're still in the trade, still dancing around. Now, let me ask you a question. Is it possible for anybody to force the market to move in a particular direction? That's what those who are scalping, those who are forcing the market to give them profit every day. You see people doing campaigns that you will make some amount of money per day in Forex trading. Anyone that tells you that you will make a particular amount of money per day or per month in Forex trading, he doesn't understand what he's talking about. Because the business of Forex, if you approach it on a strategic manner and you are not doing scalping or robots, you see that the market has different behaviors based on the conditions of the economy of the world. So market is not like playing a video game. It's something that you need to analyze and explore before you make your decisions. And you can see we have made over 20 something dollars from this trade, and now it's back to $5, and we are still in the trade. Now we say that we want a target or a profit target of 10% return on investment per month. There are months we make more than that, there are months we make less than that. But one thing that I'm assured of is that as long as consistency is key, you see that you are making your profit at the long run, because there's some months you are going to make more than that. So those are the types of mindset that we use in the FTIC program. And that is the more reason why I added a link below this video for those of us who are interested in learning more on alternative businesses you can do when the market is just dancing around, just as it's doing since the beginning of this year. If there's any alternative business you can do online apart from Forex trading. So I've put the link below this video if you want to have access to it. Then if you are also interested in our copy trading, I've also put the link below this video. And to get in touch with me, just send me a WhatsApp message on 0818 599 0414. If you want to join our full year VIP membership as well, the offer is still available. We are still on that bonus if you are interested. So just enroll, just type enroll as a message to 0818 599 0414. So that's all for this day, 17th of January. If there's any important thing I need to let you know, definitely I will notify you as well. Have a fantastic day and bye for now.